The holiday season is here, and with it comes the perfect opportunity to turn every corner of your home into a festive wonderland. But while many of us focus on decking the halls or trimming the tree, we often overlook one of the most visible parts of our homes: our windows. Christmas window decor isn't just about adding holiday charm indoors. It's also a way to share the joy of the season with neighbours and passers-by. In this video, we're exploring creative, stylish, and easy-to-do Christmas window decor ideas that will make your home sparkle from the inside out. String lights are a timeless classic when it comes to holiday decorating, and your windows are no exception. Drape fairy lights along the window frame to create a soft, warm glow that's visible from both inside and outside. For a more creative twist, use curtain lights that cascade down like sparkling icicles. You can even shape the lights into stars, hearts, or Christmas trees directly on the glass for a modern and chic look. To add a magical touch, pair the lights with a sheer curtain. The fabric will diffuse the light, giving your windows an ethereal and cozy ambience. Opt for warm white lights for a traditional feel, or multicolored ones for a playful, festive vibe. Nothing says Christmas quite like a wreath. For a simple yet elegant look, hang a lush green wreath in the center of your window. You can adorn it with red berries, pine cones, or golden ribbons for added charm. To take it up a notch, consider using a lighted wreath for a stunning nighttime display. Garlands are another versatile option. Frame your windows with evergreen garlands decorated with ornaments, bells, or even small bows. A mix of greenery and twinkling lights will create a classic holiday scene that never goes out of style. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, festive window clings and decals are your best bet. From snowflakes and reindeer to Santa Claus and his sleigh, there's no shortage of designs to choose from. These are easy to apply,